Hi, so I'm doing a video on the Omega radiator. So if you can see, it's probably dry under there just now, but I've got the coolant cap off, so there's no pressure in it. But what's happening is it's the drain plug was broken, this bit broke off. So it did seal to a point, but it was, when the pressure got up, it was leaking out. So I thought I may as well just replace the radiator, and the air conditioning condenser's a bit thingy looking as well, but worn out, rotten, whatever you like to call it. The aircon isn't working anyway, so I replaced this valve and this valve, the high and low pressure, so, and tried to charge it up, but it didn't work. Worked for a wee bit and then it stopped working. So because I can't get the drain plug out, I'll need to drain it the old traditional way, which is I'll need to drain it from the bottom hose. So we'll need to start stripping everything anyway to get it out, so we'll start doing that. I need to take the battery out first and then start stripping all the kind of top stuff here. Need to get the airbox thing out here, then I can get down to here and get the bottom pipe off. So I'm going to start doing that now. Start with taking the battery off. Which was loose, interesting. I forgot to tighten that up at some point. That's very interesting. Surprised it's still going. Usually use these little sockets for taking off the air intake pipes. These need to come right off, obviously. And this as well needs to come off. So these pipes, and then I'll need to take all the vacuum pipes and stuff off, and then the bolts that hold in the airbox itself, and lift that out. camera over there, you can see better. Sometimes these don't like to come over the lip at the back, and you've got to kind of just coax it a wee bit up. It's a weird thing. Turn it, lift, but you don't want to burst it obviously. Loosen it for a little bit more. Let's see. Sometimes better leaving the Jubilee clip at the bottom and lifting up over without the Jubilee clip, you know. That kind of tightens up at the top when it's trying to come off. That's that side, that's that side. So the problem when you're lifting this out is it hits this here. So obviously we're taking that pipe off, but I need to get this out of the way and try and get in there and get the pipe off, drain the water out, or just take this off and accept the kind of water running down here. But maybe let it cool down. Once I'm stripping everything else here, it should cool down a bit more. If I can remember how to get these off. Don't need that off. I need this out of the way, this wire, and this plug at the back of this. I cannot remember how this comes off. It's a push or pull. I never remember. Oh, if that pulls out, isn't it? It's whether you break something, that's the thing. And they never make them simple to take off. That's it. It's just a push, but you can't really get your finger in there, especially if you get big fat fingers like mine. There's a cable tied wire onto the fan that I can take off later on, but I'd rather just get it off now, but it's a bit of a pain trying to get it off, so just leave it now at the moment, see if I can get it when this all comes out. Get this plug out here. sometimes find spring clips on the cables that you've got to actually use one of these down in the back of it, trying to lift it off, if you can get in, that is. You actually kind of reverse the pliers down the back and then come up against it. There you go. So I can get my fingers in there, hold on to that tight. So I don't need that off. Take the wire off at the back for the plug for that sensor, and then I need to take these pipes off. What I tend to do is just pull that off, that one, and then there's another one at the bottom. There's actually two